Okay. Week 2 is here and I have to figure out the status report form. Anybody got ideas to help?
You bet. I just did one on my project. Let me show you how to do it. Here. Look at my screen. I've logged into the Design Hub Canvas portal. Then I scroll down to the weekly submittal section. I can find the link to the status update form under Deliverables. Once you make your copy, give it a file name according to the instructions. Then, fill out the part about project information. It is important that you know this information as part of our quality system. It helps you know who to communicate with. It also helps our leadership team know who did this work when we need to ask questions or reapply the project later on. Next, look at the approval section of the form. You should know who needs to approve your work. Sometimes it is one person, and sometimes it is more. You also need to know what type of testing or review is required. You should note where you think you'll find out about the approval too. This information is written down so that we can prove to our auditors that our interns know how to follow a formal quality process. Here is the main part of the form. Describe your deliverable as if the reader is unfamiliar with your work. And provide some description of requirements too. Then describe the current status. This might be, working on it, wrapping it up, submitted for approval or review, or even received approval and finalized the files. Then, you can let us know what got done since the last report. Finally, you can write down what needs to be addressed by the leadership so that you can keep working. The last portion is very important. We need to know what materials might have copyright or licensing factors. For those, we need to be able to prove that we have the right to use any materials in our approved product. Here, I use music from the Vyond app, which provides license to do so in the subscription agreement. So I made note of that. Finally, we need to get the form to our leadership team. First, download it as a PDF and put it in your Google Drive. Then, open your quality blog and find where the link to deliverables go. Remember to set the permission to anyone with the link can view.
Got it. I feel a lot better now that I have seen an example. I'm going to try it on my own this week. I bet we can get help from our leadership team if we need it.